Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to spot for honest and sharp reviews. Today we're looking at what we believe is the best running breathable mesh sneakers you can grab right now. The Kapsen women's walking and running shoes with air cushion. Let's get straight to it. Right out of the box, the Kapsen sneakers make a strong impression. They sport a lightweight mesh upper that's not just stylish but seriously breathable. Whether you're hitting the gym, walking the dog, or sprinting down your favorite trail, your feet stay cool and ventilated, even in warmer weather. The material is engineered with different weaving densities. You get more support in pressure areas like the midfoot and heel, and more flexibility where it matters, like the toes and sides. That's a smart design move, especially for anyone who's tired of stiff sneakers that restrict movement. Moving on to comfort. These shoes shine when it comes to cushioning. The star of the show is the full-length air cushion unit built into the sole. Every step feels smooth, springy, and incredibly supportive. It's a level of comfort you typically expect in premium athletic shoes, but here it's available at a surprisingly affordable price. Speaking of price, they range between $29.99 to $33.99 depending on your size. That's seriously competitive considering the features and the build quality you're getting. Now, let's talk durability. The outsole is made of high-durability rubber. Whether you're walking miles on hard pavement or doing quick direction changes in the gym, the grip holds up and the sole resists wearing down too quickly. And yes, these shoes aren't just for sport. They've got enough fashion-forward detail that you can pair them with casual outfits. Perfect for days when you're bouncing between errands, meetings, and workouts. The pair featured in this video is the one gray variant, but there are more colors available to match your style. Sizes run from 6 to 9.5, which should suit most users, and they come with a standard lace-up closure so you can adjust the fit exactly how you like it. This sneaker is ideal for people who spend long hours on their feet, healthcare workers, teachers, delivery drivers, or just active folks who need comfort that lasts all day. You won't be desperate to take them off after a long shift or a sweaty gym session. To sum it up, breathable mesh upper, smart ergonomic design, reliable cushioning, durable rubber outsole. And all of it wrapped up in a good-looking package at a budget-friendly price. The Kapsen women's air cushion running shoes are absolutely worth a spot in your daily rotation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more sharp product reviews, only here on Product Critique. See you in the next one.